Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Isekuvelele inhlekelele laphana KZN ngalesikhani mfana lona 24 years abulala asingani sakhe lesina 21 nemntwana bo lona 3 years wasuke lapho wabakhiyela endlini. Uthe before atibulala yena wadecide ukuthi asendele malume wakhe i-SMS la mtshela khona ukuthi sowendeni nokuthi amakhiya ezivalo la abatobe ababulalele khona labantu atobe asibeke khona. Bathi mabafika bomalume anebangani bathola ukuthi vele sekonakele, and uthi malume akade abanetinkinga yena nalo girlfriend ngenzabe ukuthi bekaze mfana sikakhuluma nokuyolobola khabontombadana. Uthi they've been dating for almost 7 years, so uthi kubhlungu kakhulu lokwendekile kubavisa buhlungu. This is after guys sekudume ngisho indzaba ya Asibusiso Lawrence kanye noNtobeko. It seems like yithi indlela i-South Africa lekusamele siyisebende ekulweni nekubulala kubantu besifazane because of mhlawumbe uthi umuntu kwendeni ayikho into lengajustify ngokuthi uzugcine ukhipha mphefemulo wemuntu. So abantu abaningi bashaqekile lapha kuma social media platforms lekuze kufike ekutheni bathi bude bani ngokuthi yini lele yendekalako laphana eKZN Timon Luni leli laphana eKZN. May their soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.